Well, guys, I got the seacan all cleaned out. I got all my stuff moved. I'm at the new place now. I'll show you guys my room area that I get. But I've got an issue. Trying to set the lathe back up, and the table is warped, like severely warped. I'll switch camera around and show you guys what I am dealing with. All right, so I've tried dismantling this. So I could line up all the boards, but they're like twisted, and my grandpa built this, and he wanted it so that it was very difficult to come apart, and he very much succeeded. I've spent probably 40 minutes on this so far trying to dismantle it, and I've got a few of them apart, but like he used nails. This board is screwed into this one only. Yeah, these are all nailed together. There's about 3 nails per board going into these cross members here. And then what he did was he stuck nails, yeah, these ones here from this one into here, on like going both directions. So they're completely tied into each other. I would have continued to take it apart, but they're warped. That one's not too bad, but you can see it does have a bit of a wow to it. Yeah, that one's bowed. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, see how it's all cattywampus. So that's what I'm dealing with, and it's not fun because it's really preventing me from going further. So this is the little room that I've got. That's where I'm trying to set the lathe up, but when I set the stand up, I had to take the legs off the stand to get it through this little door. So anyways, took the legs off, set the legs up there, put the tabletop on, screwed it down, pushed it into the corner, and I noticed that the table went like this. It was like big time. So I took the table apart again, brought it out there, started dismantling it, and it is just, it's too far gone. So I'm gonna have to pick up some new tubifers. But it sucks because I really wanted to get the lathe set up and reassembled. I've got lathe guts everywhere. Main spindle, and that guy. This guy seized on me once. So I've got to go inside here, brake clean the crap out of it. The good stuff. Well, maybe not the good stuff, but it works. Chlorinated. Son of a diddly. Yeah, I got to clean that out really good and inspect it, make sure there's no burrs or catches on it. The spindle looked fine, luckily, but then I got to grease the crap out of that, or oil it, and then make sure that I periodically oil it, like every 5 hours of use or something. I oil it. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll make some. No, I should be fine. I was thinking about trying to make some kind of counter or something for it, so that when the power is switched on, it starts counting. When 5 hours has elapsed, it's like, oil me. But I don't know if that's entirely necessary. But yeah, there's so much stuff that I need off the floor onto here. But yeah, I'm stuck. My hands are tied. Everything's closed right now. I got a gen set there. I don't know if I showed you guys that. 6.5 kilowatt. What I want to do is wire that up so that it's capable of 240 out, but wire it up so it's got a 240 plug and a 110 plug, and then build a metal crate for it, have that on the crate with my welder and plasma cutter, and then I'm gonna need a portable air tank or an air compressor, and then I can do like off-road repairs and stuff. Somebody breaks something out in the bush, go weld them up, charge them $500,000, and I'm set. But yeah, so anyways, that's kind of where I'm at right now. I'm kind of stuck. Oh, and I brought my 14 too, because I need some power in here. There's power there, but nothing in this room. It's kind of crappy, but it's, well, kind of crappy looking, but I don't know. I'm very grateful for my buddy Austin. He hooked me up with this because I had to get rid of that seacan. Yeah, and I was looking at storage places. They're more expensive than what I was paying for the seacan. I didn't have any place to put the seacan. So yeah, it is what it is. At least here, I can work with my lathe. I can use it because all the storage places, they're no power, zero, like zero tolerance for any work or anything being done out of them. So yeah, away she goes. I'll make it nice. I'll probably have to get some tin or something, line the floor and the wall with it in case I make hot chips. I don't want to burn this place down. But yeah, so that's kind of what I've been up to the past 2 days, is just getting that seacan cleaned out and all the contents of that seacan moved out here. I still got to do a scrap metal run on Thursday, as well as some exhaust work, finishing up that 89 Toyota pickup, father-in-law's truck. It's been a day. It's been a couple of days, definitely. But yeah, so I guess hands are tied until lumberyard opens. So away she goes. Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, take care.